Hello, Tulsi. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I am fine. And what about you, sir?
I'm good. Thank you. So, Tulsi, please tell me about yourself.
My name is Tulasi. I am from Gondia. I have completed my post graduation in microbiology. Yes, sir. Myself, Tulsi Imraj Katre. I am from Gondia. I have completed my post graduation in microbiology from Gondia. And currently, I am working at Arke Shop. My hobbies are cooking and writing, and my strength are I am very disciplined person, and my weaknesses are uh, I have take too much responsibility in in that situations. This is my weaknesses.
Okay, very good. Very good. So, why you are changing your current organization?
Yes, sir. In pandemic situation, my PGR completed. Then in IT field, very comfortable jobs for women's, and my husband in IT industry. So he suggest me. IT field are very good for me. And I like also his work very much, and uh, I decided so I'm learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
So, how much you rate yourself out of 5 in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript?
Sir,
For all.
out of 5. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, what is the difference between HTML and HTML5?
Yes, sir. HTML and HTML is a HTML5 is a new version of HTML, and in HTML, audio and video are not supported, and in HTML5, audio and video are supported, and in HTML. New browsers are old browsers are support, and in HTML5 new browser are supported like Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and Safari, etc.
What is the difference between CSS2 and CSS3?
Sir, in CSS the very attractive page are made by CSS, and in CSS3 the responsive are present in CSS3, and in CSS styles are provided uh, to the pages.
You can apply style by using CSS2 as well, right?
Yes, sir. Style.
Then what is the difference?
Yes, sir. In CSS, style are provided, and in CSS3, page are attractive and modern by using CSS3. That is responsive in mobile web pages also.
Okay. What is the difference between inline and block elements?
Yes, sir. In block level elements, always start from new line, and in inline elements are not always start from new lines.
Okay. This is the only difference.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is float?
Sir, yes, sir. Float are positioning and formatting to the uh, content or
Mhm.
element. Uh, Float is a property of CSS.
Mhm. And what are their possible values?
Float left, right,
Okay. And left, right, and none.
none. Yes, sir. Left, right, and none.
What are the CSS selectors we have?
Yes, sir. In CSS selectors, tag selectors, class selectors, ID selectors, descendant selectors, sibling selectors.
Okay. What is universal selector?
Sir, universal selector.
Okay. How to write universal selector?
Sir, star.
Correct, correct. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, by using star, we write the universal selectors.
And what does do this universal selector? It selects which element?
No, sir.
It selects all HTML elements in the HTML page, right?
Yes, sir.
How to select next immediate sibling? What is the symbol for that selector? Next immediate sibling. We use plus, right? To select next immediate sibling, we use plus symbol. How to select next all sibling?
Sorry, sir.
What are the CSS positions we have?
Yes, sir. Sir, 5 types of positions in CSS.
Mhm.
Static position and absolute position, relative position, fixed position, and sticky position.
Okay.
Static position are by default position.
Okay, very good. Then what is the difference between position relative and position absolute?
Yes, sir. In position relative, relative to this normal position, and in absolute position, they are relative to they are in absolute to their parent ancestors.
What is position sticky?
In sticky position, uh, they are in their pages are scrolled down, then the image or content are stick on the pages.
Mhm. Basically, position sticky is a hybrid of position relative and position
And
fixed.
position fixed. Yes, sir.
Can we create a responsive website without using any framework like Bootstrap and Foundation and all?
Yes, sir. By using media queries.
Okay. By using Medicaid, we can create website responsive, right?
Yes.
So, what are the data types we have in JavaScript?
Yes, sir. So 2 data types are we have in JavaScript: non-primitive data types and primitive data types. In primitive data types, Boolean number, string are present. In non-primitive data
Boolean
types,
number string. Only 3 data types we have.
No, sir. No, sir. Boolean, number, strings. and
Undefined and null.
Undefined and null. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
And in non-primitive data types, object, array,
And functions.
functions. Yes.
What is difference between primitive and non-primitive data type?
Sir, in primitive data types, they are holding a values of declaration, and in non-primitive, the reference are
Reference are home.
yes, sir. It's hold a reference.
Primitive hold value, non-primitive hold
Reference.
reference. Very good. Perfect. What is function?
The function are a block of code
Mhm.
to uh, create a new uh, elements. Uh, sorry, sir.
What is difference between equal to and strictly equal to? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sorry, sir.
What is first class function? What is higher order function?
Sir, the in higher order function, the
Function in which we pass another function as a parameter or
yes,
argument.
yes, sir.
It's called as higher order function, right? And first class function when we store function as a value in any declaration, that is called as first class function. What is pure function?
Sir, in a pure function, the value are output and input. Sorry, in pure function, the declaration of values are input and output.
What is closure?
So closer are
What are the possible ways to create objects in JavaScript? What is JSON?
JSON is JavaScript object notation. It is lightweight and in JSON are interchanging property. Uh, JavaScript value are JavaScript value are in a string to transfer the JavaScript object. So in JSON, use of JSON parse method, and in JavaScript object are JavaScript string are transferred to JavaScript object. Uh, sorry, sir. So use JSON stringify method.
Are you sure?
No, sir. I'm wrong.
What is hosting?
Yes, sir. The hosting is a uh, scope of declaration are shifted to top of the page or scope. It's called hosting.
Okay. So declarations and value both are get shifted.
Yes, sir. Declaration and values.
Are you sure?
No, sir. Only declarations
Correct.
are shifted.
In hosting, the only declarations are get shifted,
Declaration are
not their
shifted.
values.
Yes.
Okay. So what is web storages?
The store of values.
What are the types of web storages?
Yes, sir. Local storages and session storages are the two types of web storages.
Okay. What is the difference between them?
Yes, sir. In local storages, the elements or content are present in a browser. So present in browser. So the every time present in local storages uh, the element uh, in the element are not garbage the data in local storages, and in session storages we off the browser, so the data are garbages.
Actually, in local storage, data will be forever there. We have to remove
Yes, sir.
manually.
Manually.
In session storage, data will be removed as soon as session is over.
Yes, sir.
What are the methods available in local storage?
Sir, set time and get time.
Set time, get time, or set item, get item.
Sorry, sir. Set item and get item.
Okay, only these two methods. How we remove local storage data? By using clear method.
Yes, sir.
Local storage dot clear. What is the difference between slice and splice?
Yes, sir. In a slice method, the value are found from new array on new array, and in splice method, add or remove of
What is portion?
sir. The portion are the form of new data types to the another data types,
Merger of one data type into another type
another data type.
is called as portion.
Portion.
What is the difference between constructor function and factory method?
So,
What is difference between undefined and not defined?
sir, in undefined, declaration are not defined, and
Action. Okay.
in in not defined, the declaration are defined, but value are not assigned.
Are you sure? Actually, in undefined, we have declared the variable, but value is not assigned.
Not assigned, and
And not defined means we have not declared variable. It.
yes, sir.
So I have passed a statement in chart section. What will be the output of that?
Sir, 10.
How? This is 10 plus true plus 10. Right.
Yes, sir.
And how it will be 10?
So 20.
Can you explain?
So 20 are
Okay. Do one thing. Please share your screen and write the same code and print it on console.
sir from
Yes. Yes, what happened?
array method na.
No, I didn't get your question. I have passed a statement in chart section. Just
Yes,
print that chart, that statement in console. Console log dot 10 plus true plus 10. First of all, save this file as HTML and then run.
Sir,
Yeah,
I'm
yes.
created the new folder and then
Okay. Save anywhere. It is fine.
yes.
Yes. Now run this folder.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Just click and double click. Run index to HTML. Okay. See the console. What is the answer?
21.
Hello.
21 answer, sir.
Yes. Okay. So what happened here?
Sir, 10 plus 10, 20, and true value are 1
True Boolean values get converted into number.
number. Yes,
Portion
sir.
is happen. The Boolean, the one data type is get converted into another data type. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have passed another statement. What will be the output of that?
Yes. Sir, 11.
Okay. Only 11. Okay. Do one thing. Copy that statement and paste it in console. Okay. What is the answer?
Sir, 1110.
Press enter. What happened here? The first two things are number and Boolean, so that the addition is happen. The true Boolean is converted into number. 10 plus 1 is 11. But the third thing is string, right? So that's why addition is not happening there. Instead of addition, they are get concatenating.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That's why we get 11, 10. And what will be the data type of that 11, 10?
Sir, string in no, sir.
Yeah, string is correct.
Yes, sir. String.
Okay. So you have to write a code like I want 4 divs side by side
Yes,
for
sir.
desktop view, and for tab view I want 2 divs side by side, and on mobile width I want 1 div in a one single row.
Four divs and
Yeah. For desktop, these 4 divs should be in a single row.
sir, your voice are breaking.
Sorry.
Sir, your voice are not clear.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for desktop, you have to show these 4 divs in a single row. For tab, 2 divs in a row, and for mobile, only 1 div in a row. And you are writing, you are HTML in script tag. Hello,
Yes, sir.
you are writing your HTML in script tag.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. I am not understand what is this sign.
Do you return the CSS? Okay. I think you have pressed the insert key. That's why this is happening.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. No, no. I want only 4 divs, right?
Yes, sir.
4 divs side by side for desktop. 4 divs should be in a single row for desktop. For tab, 2 divs in a row, and for mobile, a single div in a single row.
Four divs are. Hello, sir.
Yes. I
Sir,
think
four.
I think you didn't get the question.
Yes, sir.
Show me the HTML file. Okay. So why you are applying height and width to the page and the code written at line number 1? Is that correct? Div is equal to single quote, double quote, row, then ID. Okay, leave it. I have passed an array in chart section. Just copy that array into your script tag. Okay, so I am passing the question. I want a new array of the inventors who are or who were born in 15th century, right? You have to create a new array of the inventors who were born in 15th century. Okay. Okay. Can you explain the logic for the same instead of writing code?
Firstly, new array.
Actually, your voice is not clear.
Sir, firstly,
Mm-hmm.
we take new array.
Mm-hmm.
Then year of inventors.
Okay, Tulsi. I have done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.